Hello, this is Leader Squirrel, and this time in class we're going to do let's find out from page 32. So I chose two problems, problem number 5 and problem number 20. So let's get started. So let's first look at these two numbers. The divisor 46 and 79. And 79, well, you should write down that 46 multiply a certain number should be smaller or equal to 779 and should be smaller and as closest as possible to 79. So let's see. Let's first multiply 1. So that'll be 46. And let's multiply 2, that'll be 92, right? Yep. And 79 is between these two numbers, so we happily write down 1 over here. So we write down 46. And if we subtract these two, this is going to be 33. And we happily put down number 5 down here. Now, this time, you're gonna write down 335, and this is 46 is quite 50-ish, and 355 is, I'll say, 350-ish. So if you multiply by 7, it'll be equal to 350. So let's put a 7 in the box. So 46 multiplied by 7 is 322, right? So 6 or it is 42. Yep, it is 322. And 322 is smaller than 355. So let's try 8. And this time this is going to be 368. And yeah, that's the correct answer. This is 368. And 335 is smaller than 368 but bigger than 322. So we happily put 7 in the box as the maximum number, and we write down 7. And it'll be 300. Okay, I'll make it more neater. 322. So that'll be 113. And we put down 6. And we do all the same. This time, this is going to be 136. I'm going to speed it up. 36, and this is quite close to 150. And if we multiply with 3, it's going to be 150. And we put A, 3 in the box, which would make 138, and it is a bit bigger. So if we multiply 2, that would be 92, and 136 is smaller than 138. So this time we write down 2. So that is 92. And if we calculate, that would be 4. And this would be 4. So 44. Now we put down 3 down here. And this time, erase these. Write down 443. And 443 is 450-ish. And this time it is close to 9. And we have to put 9 down here. So 46 multiplied by 9 is equal to 414. I think that is right. Yep, that is correct. So we put 9 happily and 414. So if we subtract, it's going to be, this is going to be type 9 and 2, 29, and we put down 0 very happily. Now, this time it's going to be 290, and 290 is about 300-ish. So this is gonna be 6, and yeah, 50 multiplied by 6 is 300. So let's put 6 here. 6 multiplied by 6, and this is equal to 276. I think that's right. Let me check it out. 424 and 36. Yep, that's right. So this is 276 and is smaller than 290. So let's try 46 multiplied by 7. So in this case, this is, let's see, 322. Is that right? Right. So 290 is between these two numbers. So we happily write down 6. And if we go down just a bit more, okay, screw this. I'm just gonna move this. Where is that? First erase in the middle part, and put this a bit over. So a brush, I'm gonna put 3 dots. So that is 6, and we have to put down 6, and this is gonna be 276. So if we subtract these two numbers, this is going to be 4, and this is going to be 1. So 14. So remainder is 14. So let's check it out if this is correct with the calculator. So the quotient, 17,296 multiply 46 is equal to this, and we should add the remainder 14. So let's check it out. This is, yep, it is correct. So let's go to the next problem. Okay, this problem, let's speed it up just a bit. I have only 2 minutes left. So 28 multiply a certain number is equal to, let's say, this time 186. And 186, and this, well, 28 is 30-ish, and 186 is, I'll say 180-ish. So if we put 6, that'll be equal. So in this box, let's put 6. So if you multiply, the answer would be 168, right? Yep, that is right. So if we multiply by 7, this time it would be 190. I think this is 87 is 6. Yep, this is correct. And 186 is between these two numbers, so we write down 6 over here, which should be 168. Now if we, that would be 8, and this would be 1. So we write down 7. And 187 and 186, they're pretty much similar. So we put 6, another 6 again, and we write down 168. And this time, this is going to be a 100. No, sorry, not 100, but 19. So 905. And 905 is smaller than 196. So we put another number, 6, 168. And the number would be 27. So let's calculate with the calculator. The quotient is 666, and multiply by 28 is equal to this number. And if we add the remainder, voila, this is the answer. So have a nice day. See ya in the next lesson.